Hello, this is David Ivey from Malta Dynamics. Today we're going to be going over how to use the trauma release strap. If a fall were to occur on the job while wearing a harness, it is important to have an immediate rescue plan in place. If you were to hang in the harness too long, the leg straps will cut off the circulation and then the blood will begin to pool. Pooling of the blood can cause cardiac arrest or even death. That is why we recommend the use of trauma release straps with your harness. And now I'm going to show you how to install the trauma release strap. This is good for all Malta Dynamics harnesses as well as competitors' harnesses. First, you will pass the buckle side of the trauma release strap web loop behind the back torso strap front to back. Then you will insert the buckle through its own loop and pull snug to create a web choke attachment. On the opposite side, pass the pouch side of the trauma release strap web loop behind the back torso strap front to back. Insert the pouch through its own web loop and pull snug to create a web choke attachment. Finish by snapping both snap loops to the harness webbing. When deploying the trauma release strap, you will unbutton the pouch and drop the webbing. To deploy the trauma release strap, you will take the quick connect from the trauma release strap web and reach it across to the quick connect that is on your hip. Once this is connected, you will step into the webbed loop to relieve the pressure off your legs. We designed the webbing to be extra wide on the trauma release strap so it'll fit snugly against the heel of your boot. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please contact us at maltadynamics.com.